I'm still on my way to Conkles Hollow. By far is the longest trail we've done in Hocking Hills State Park. Don't look down, it's really high. But look at this steep hill. That looks amazing. And another one. Such a beautiful scenery while you get there. Getting closer and closer to Conkles Hollow. The more you go, the more interesting it gets. Just only look at this scene. This is so amazing and beautiful. You pretty much like go in circles. You make it one big circle. And if you look down, it's very high. Okay, let's get moving and see what's next.